Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have three people here, Michael, Emery, and Becky, like brothers and sisters there, with a song called Coming Your Way. So this one will be a quick one. We have a capo set here on the second fret. We have 4 different chords, and they're played in the same way and in the same time almost, not really, but in the same order through the entire song. So let's take a look at the 4 chords. We have first the A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next, D minor, open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have F. You place a bar on the first fret, and you add third A, third D, and second G. And we got the E next. That's the open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. So, very easy strumming pattern. If you go back to the starting point, A minor, 1 strumming around will be 3 downs, but in this, so you're gonna play first 1 down. I suggest you play that more on the bass strings, depending on what chord you're playing. For A minor, you're starting on the A, for D minor on the D, and for the last 2 chords on the E string, F and E. Alright, so down, and then you answer with 2 downs, look below there on the mid top strings. So first 1 down, and a short pause there, and then you fast playing the 2 downs there on the top notes and top strings. So, alright, so a couple rounds of it to get the feeling for the rhythm here with just A minor. It goes like this. You're gonna play 1 string around per chord, and you're gonna do that in the chord progression A minor, D minor, F, and E, like this. Alright guys, so that's it. Coming your way. Thank you for watching. Play tuned.